Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our dashboard spreads for the next week in July. And I've got these markers and pens ready to go, as well as this washi tape I'll use, and these Planny stickers which I'll pull from. So I have the Marble and Florals Planny box that is out for July, and it comes with these pockets and this cardstock that is double-sided, the washi tape, and this really cute kind of sticker book holder, as well as all of the stickers that I just flipped through there. I did do an unboxing on my Instagram, so if you want to know more about that, do check out my Instagram channel. A really cute box for this month. I love the marbling, I love the florals. So I'm excited to do a full planner spread with these guys and see how it comes out. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull out those stickers and get started by laying in some washi. The design that I'm using is the Homebody seasonal dashboard layout that I use for my social media. So I have a pretty good idea on how I'm going to use it every week, and I'm going to plan accordingly with the stickers. First, I'm going to cover up the design of the leaves that are on every page and lay in a long box sticker to cover up a majority of the checklists at the bottom, as well as put in a few of these like marbled boxes for where I will list out my videos on a specific day. So I've laid those in, and I want to cover up the top part of that blue box because it says to buy and I don't really use it in that manner. So I'm going to use those florals there. I've also pulled in a word floral piece that says plan, which I really like. So I've placed that kind of like in the middle bottom of the left-hand side, and thought I might use that other kind of cut off strip of florals, but it feels a little different. It's more white based, so I'm not going to use those, and I'll figure something else out that works with the spread. Decided to move up this large floral cluster to the top so it doesn't take up as much room into the blue, and move the washi tape so it's just staggered top and bottom. And I would have put that really pretty to-do there at the top, but I use that box for my videos and tracking my progress throughout the week, which I have a little custom sticker which you'll see me put on near the end that I use in that space. So I just cut up some florals to add a little bit more of that here on the side. I'm putting it very strategically on days where I know I don't have as many posts so that it doesn't take up functional space. I've decided that I'm going to pull in a little bit more of the florals here as well. I'm not exactly sure how yet. So I straightened out the box. I was going to do it on a diagonal, but the spread kind of just feels like it should be straight for balance. And just the styling of everything here feels very, I don't know, elegant. So being on the diagonal didn't feel quite right for that box. So I just cut another one of those florals in half and I'm layering it there at the top of the box. And just trying to see if there's another home for that guy there, but no, didn't really like that. Now just trying to see if there is a happy place for this box sticker. And kind of layer it in with some of that marbling background here. Again, kind of playing with those two textures and backgrounds. I also feel like I need maybe a small box here on the side of this long box, kind of as a header. Try a few things. But I think this guy will be the best, kind of a nice contrast with the cooler tones next to the warm. And I know when I cut this box it's going to have a sharp edge, so we'll have to figure something out once I get that on the page. But for now I think we're ready to move things over. I'm going to go ahead and start by laying over this washi tape. And I think this works without having to white out the background just because it has leaves in the background, and I think that plays well with everything else we have going on. I'm going to go ahead and lay in here my normal grid that I put in every week. And I just use my Arteza kind of gray twin marker and pencil in 7 days worth, and this is where I put in my followers and subscribers from Instagram and YouTube, and then I track the change if it's, you know, however many go up or down. So that's what I use this space for. And I'm going to go ahead and try to lay in this long box. Definitely a little tricky. I want to make sure that I've got the florals lined up properly, and then I also want to make sure that the box is straight and that we've whited out what needs to be whited out behind those florals. These box stickers are really thick, just so you know, so that's really nice when you're trying to cover something with them. Nothing really shows through. I don't know, I did like that factor of it. It's a little bit hard to maneuver, I would say, but not to the point where it's, you know, inhibiting. It's just a little bit tougher than a normal like sticker box, and it is extra thick, like I said. And so in order to close off that kind of sharp edge of the box, I went ahead and added that extra piece that I had pre-cut and just kind of closed it off that way, and then layered in the rest of the stickers I had there at the bottom. And I'm going to white out the to buy header as well as the black line at the top of that blue box and one of the bullets so that I can lay in these florals. And I'm going to butt it up right up against the edge and then trim off the excess around it. Most of it being clear sticker that didn't have anything important there. And there's a little bit of extra leaves here, so I'm going to go ahead and try to reuse those by placing them there next to the sticker. I'll go ahead and lay in the washi on the opposite side. And start moving over those other pieces. And here I'm going to be using those box stickers there, like I said, to write in the video each day. So I tend to post on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. So I have that all set up and ready to go. And just putting in the other pieces. I realized that this guy was kind of crooked when I moved over that added trim piece. I'm just going to go ahead and straighten that out. And then lay in this to do. Again, trimming off the excess and trying to reuse any pieces that I can. And if there's anything that you are interested in from this video, do check the description below. I will have everything I can linked there. Just getting ready to start with my highlighters to set up my posts for Instagram, but I realized I didn't put in my video sticker that I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this out and lay that in. And it's just a nice sticker that allows me to track my video making process. It is just one I use for my own personal use. I don't have it available anywhere, but it is handy for me just to kind of keep track of things. So I'm going to go ahead and lay in the checklist for my posts for the week. And once I'm done with that, you guys, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!